Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 15th, and this is my recap of the top videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro-US dollar came in number one, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we got a little bit of a push down, but we do not have a break of structure yet. It definitely looks to me like a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I would definitely think this is either wave A or wave 1. I think we most likely are going to make a crescent to this move up, which would either be a wave B or a wave 2, probably going down to at least a 38 or a 50% Fibonacci retracement. Then I would expect to see another push up for either that wave C or that wave 3. I'm kind of thinking wave C, especially because we have that big news event coming out on Wednesday. But best thing to do would be to try to go long down here and learn and earn whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. So not really a whole lot going on the news calendar for tomorrow. We have this Empire State Manufacturing Index, probably not really that much of a mover. So the next really big thing that I would probably worry about is this Canadian CPI news. That's definitely a pretty big deal. Retail sales for the US dollar on Tuesday, and then Wednesday is the big FOMC day, and the pound also has interest rate this week too on Thursday. So it's going to be a really big news event. Lots of really big news events this week for sure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.